Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi. I am going to teach you about
Globe, which is taken from class 6 subject social studies and chapter numbers 2 globe, a model of the earth. Here is the pictorial representation of the globe. We can see a globe is a model of the earth. It shows the shape of the earth, the land and the water, the continents and oceans and the countries of the world. Let's come to the shape of the earth. Earth is in the shape of spheroid. Actually, the earth is not like a perfect sphere. Not perfectly round, it is a little pressed at the two poles and bulged slightly in the middle around a line called as the equator. Equator is a line which divides the globe into two equal parts. Now come to the types of the globes. Here we have two types, political and physical globes. The most common types of the globes are political and physical globes. Political globe shows the countries, whereas physical globe shows us mountains and rivers. Coming to the topic, oceans and continents. Most of the surface of the earth consists of water in the form of oceans. Large sheets of land on the globe which are called as continents. Coming to the oceans, already you know that we have 5 oceans. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Antarctic and Indian Oceans. In all these oceans, Pacific is the largest and deepest ocean and the smallest one is Arctic Ocean. Coming to the continents, we have 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. In all the continents, largest is the Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. Coming to the points of directions on the globe. You can locate the North Pole and South Pole. If you face north, the east is on your right and west is on your left. The earth rotates every day from west to east. In this image, you can see the North Pole and the South Pole and the direction of the rotation of the earth, which causes day and night, and it is rotating from west to east. In this image, we can see the rotation and the revolution of the earth. Generally, we use it to confuse about the rotation and the revolution of the earth. So, I will make you clear about them now. Differences between rotation and revolution. When an object turns around an internal axis is called rotation. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. When an object circles an external axis is called revolution, which causes seasons and years. In this image, you can see the equator, which is drawn in the middle of the globe. As I told you before, equator divides the earth into two equal parts. One is northern hemisphere, another one is southern hemisphere. Top of the equator, we are having Tropic of Cancer. The down of the equator, we are having Tropic of Capricorn. Lines on the globe. If you observe the globe at home, you will see many lines across the globe. Some run from the North Pole to the South Pole. The other run around the earth from west to east. These imaginary lines help us to locate places on the globe and maps. These lines on the globe are called as latitudes and longitudes. In this image, you can see the latitudes and longitudes. The first image is giving the latitudes, giving about latitudes. See here, we are having a red line that is called as equator. The above the equator we are having North Pole, and the below the equator we are having South Pole. The above the equator also we are having so many circles, the below and above the equator. Those we are calling as horizontal lines to the equator. Coming to the longitudes, we are having North Pole and South Pole. The longitudes are nothing but they are connecting from North Pole to the South Pole. Topics we have discussed in this video. What is a globe? Shape of the globe, oceans and continents, directions on the globe, rotation and revolution, lines on the globe, latitudes and longitudes.
So please follow the classes regularly. If you like the video, like, share and comment for the video. Subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.